In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add accountant on Gusto. Adding your accountant the right way ensures they have the access they need to do their job without exposing more of your company data than necessary. We'll walk through setting them up as an external collaborator and choosing the proper permissions. From your Gusto dashboard, start by opening the People section. This is where you manage everyone connected to your company in Gusto. Next, choose Add Person. Even though your accountant isn't an employee, Gusto begins the process here so you can capture their basic details and then set them up with the correct non-employee role. Enter their first name and last name exactly as they want it to appear. Accuracy here helps avoid confusion later, especially if you work with multiple firms. For the worker type, select External Collaborator. This is the key choice that tells Gusto you're adding a professional, like an accountant or bookkeeper, who needs access but who won't be on payroll. Provide their email address. Use a professional work email that your accountant has access to every day. This is where Gusto will send the invitation and any security prompts. Double-check spelling, since a typo can delay access. Click Save and continue. Gusto now asks what they'll help you with. These are task-based permissions that tailor the experience to your accountant's responsibilities. For example, you can allow Run Payroll for me if your accountant actively processes payroll on your behalf. Choose the options that reflect your agreement with them and keep it as lean as possible to reduce risk. You'll then pick an access level, Limited Admin or Global Admin. Limited Admin grants only the specific areas you selected, which is ideal for most accountants. Global Admin, on the other hand, unlocks nearly everything across your Gusto account, including sensitive company settings. Only choose Global Admin if your accountant must have full authority and you trust them to manage the entire account. If that's the case for you today, select Global Admin. Finish by selecting Save Collaborator. Gusto will create the collaborator profile and send an invitation email so they can accept and sign in. If they don't see it, remind them to check spam or ask their IT team to allow messages from Gusto. After they're in, you can come back at any time to adjust permissions or revoke access as your needs change. And that's it. You've successfully added your accountant in Gusto with the right level of access, keeping your payroll secure and your workflows streamlined.